Hi, I am Allison Satoff, and this is Art for Elementary School Teachers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mandala using a paper plate. A mandala is a series of straight lines that work together to create a circle. And we're going to make a mandala that looks like this. It's very fun, it's simple, relaxing, and inexpensive. So the first thing you need to do is on your paper plate, you're going to cut triangles about 1 inch apart all the way around. The paper plate actually has little lines that are almost 1 inch apart. Those lines should help you get your triangles evenly spaced. So you're just going to start by cutting little notches about about a ½ inch apart for each one. I'm just looking at where the little lines are, and I'm putting a notch in between all the lines. You can see the line, it looks like a place where the paper plate folded or overlapped itself. So in between all the straight lines, cut a notch out all the way around with your scissors. It's gonna look like this when you get done. The next thing you need to do is grab a ball of yarn. You need a piece of tape. You're going to tape your string to the back of your paper plate. After you tape it down, then you have to decide where your next string is going to go. You can either put it way over to the side like this, or you can put it off to the side like this. You cannot put it right through the center. If you put it through the center, it won't work. So you have to go off to the side at least a little bit. If you do this, you'll have a small opening in the middle, or if you make your string farther apart, you'll have a wide opening in the middle. So once you've done this, then on the front, if you look at the front, you're gonna go around one petal or tooth to the right. And then you're gonna cross over the one you just did, so you have an X. And then on the back, you're just gonna go right to the next notch. Just to make a line across the back, a short stitch on the back to the next tooth. Cross over the ones you just did. Do a short stitch on the back to the right. Keep your yarn very loose. If you pull it tight, your paper plate will curl up and you'll have to start over because it'll look terrible. So keep your string very loose. Cross over the ones you just did. On the back, you're gonna go to the right one space. Cross over the ones you just did. On the back, go to the right one space. You're gonna keep doing the same thing over and over again. It doesn't change. On the back, you're gonna go one space to the right, and on the front, you're gonna cross over the string that you just did. It doesn't change. You're gonna keep doing the same thing over and over again. Cross over the ones you just did. Go one stitch to the right on the back. If you get lost, you just have to locate the last string that you just put on, and you cross over the one you just did. Go one stitch to the right, cross over the last stitch that you created, go one to the right, cross over, one to the right, cross over. Some people get confused when they get to this spot right here, but nothing changes. You keep doing the same thing. You just cross over one to the right. On the back, you just go one space over. Find the last stitch that you just did and cross over it. One space to the right. Cross over the one you just did. One space to the right. Cross over the ones you just did. You just keep doing the same thing over and over. If you get lost, just locate the last string that you did and you'll cross over that one. You just keep going until your plate is completely full, and then you tape it down on the back and trim your string. That's it. So this is a mandala, which is straight lines that work together to create a circle. A mandala was used in ancient religions to evoke meditation. Your supplies are in the back of the room.